found myself a guy, you guys. I found myself a Gujarati guy. Any Gujaratis in the house make some noise? Really? Usually they don't say. They're like, मैं नहीं बोलेगा. No chance. Because dating a Gujarati looks like the Emirates Mall from the outside. So posh, so rich, so well groomed. You're like, wow, amazing. And as soon as you enter, it's like you've reached a Farsan store. Everything is... Right, you're having a normal conversation. I think you're on a trunk call. I'm like, baby, are we fighting? Why are you shouting? My boyfriend was really hairy. But for me, he was like Anil Kapoor. The maid thought we had a dog. She's like, "Aga bhai, kutra kude hai? Kutra." I'm like, "Kaam pe gaya hai." So we went to visit his parents, where most Gujaratis are from. America. You know, I feel like people, Indians that have gone abroad to America are still living in the year they went abroad. Right? If they went in 1950, they're living. Like how you meet your school friends. It's the same. They'll be like, hey, PT teacher. But the reason I wanted to marry him is because he spoke in English. Very important. And he had an accent. And he had read Shakespeare. I had only read Tinkle Digest. And that too only pictures. Didn't read, right? My father has an art gallery in Kala Ghoda. So I was like, pretentious, they'll get along. People who read Shakespeare are pretentious. Right? And so I was like, wow, they'll get along. No, he hated him. He's like, yeah. My boyfriend was a struggling actor. Let's call him artist. Because my father called him poor. He took away my Jeep Compass. His father had a motel in America. Another reason why my father's like, nahi, Chia, tu plumbing karegi. Udhar jaake plumbing karegi. I'm like, plumbing? नहीं पापा मैं नहीं करेंगी his father thought I wanted to marry him for the green card. My father knew he wanted to marry me for the green money. He's like, इसके पास बहुत पैसा है. Right? In fact, my father-in-law was my mother-in-law. I know y'all are like, what does that mean? That means men can also be bitches. Okay, I'll tell you what. I was an amazing daughter-in-law. Okay, I went to America and lived with my in-laws for an entire month without my partner. Pari. Angel. Don't say chutia, what the fuck? I heard you. Right? And so when I was there in America, my father-in-law comes to me and he's like, Jia, you know, women belong in the kitchen. I was like, you belong in the grave. इसे सिर्फ मुर्दा लोग बोलते हैं. One day, he was toxic. One day I was out with my partner and he called me up and he's like, Jia, I have something to show you. Come home quick. I was like, Papa ji has something to show me. Not like that. Get your mind out of the gutter. I reached home and there was a massive ball of hair on the dining table. That day he did plumbing. So I was like, what is this? Right? He's like, Jia, I just wanted to show you you're having hair fall. So much of your hair is fall. I was like, what do you want me to put back on my head? Why have you collected it? He's like, to show you, he was bald. I was like, you're just jealous. Right? In fact, I didn't obviously marry the boy. But one day, after breaking up and all, I was doing a show in Juhu. And my father-in-law shows up. Ex-father-in-law showed up. I had blue hair on this side and pink hair on this side. He must have been like, ye sachi pagal ho gayi hai. Shukr hai shaadi nahi hui. The joke I did was that I'm a cougar. Do you all know what a cougar is? Yes. It's an older woman that dates younger boys. For some people, age is just a number. For me, age difference is just a number. I date younger boys to avoid sati. I met a 25-year-old. Don't be jealous. The first thing he asked me was, in your time? I'm like, goo kha sale, what the hell is in your time? This is the joke I did in front of my ex-father-in-law. I walked out also like one, Game of Thrones movement. But my partner, I thought he was a good guy, but he wasn't. There were too many red flags. Signs in our generation, we say signs, we see a sign. Now young people say red flags. There were too many signs to not marry him. The first was the way he proposed. Boys, I must tell you guys, you'll have to go down on your knee when y'all are proposing, okay? Don't be like, let's get married. Nahin, aise nahi hota hai. You have to go down on your... Any couples in the room make some noise? Oh, good. So are you married? Yes. How long? 3 years. Wow. Did you go down on your knee? Oh, good. Very good. Clap for him. Very good. He has done it. Basically, you have to go down on your knee, guys, because, see, you have to do it once. Then she will do. But if you don't do, then she also won't do. So he was like, listen, get married. And, I didn't even get a diamond ring. That's what I've always wanted. A big fat diamond. Whenever my girlfriends got diamond rings, I'd always be like, kidhar hai? Dikh nahi raha tera diamond. Kidhar hai diamond? I didn't get only diamond. That's what karma is. He gave me one band. Right? One day again, I was out and with him. And his mother calls me. She's nice. We got along. She was my real Maharaja. She would cook curry for me whenever I wanted. It was amazing. Love we had. She called me and she's like, you fucked up. I was like, oh no, what I did? She's like, you have put your Coca-Cola bottle in the freezer and it has burst. Guys, this is no ordinary freezer. This is a Gujarati freezer. They live in hibernation. They freeze everything. Thepla, papad, and curry leaves. And everything had Coca-Cola on it. But they put it it nicely. Like they packaged it nicely, and I was doing the cleaning of the fridge, and my partner was watching me. Another sign I should have left him there and then. Once he said, "Hey, udhar nahi kiya." I'm like, "Bah." I wanted to impress my mother-in-law, so I licked that whole fridge. I was like, "Ye saaf hona chahiye, properly clean." And one day I was sitting in his house and watching TV, and Katerina Kaif ad was going on, a Titan ad, I remember. And she's like, "You don't have to marry him just because all your friends are married. You don't have to marry him just because your sister is waiting to get married. You don't have to." I'm like, "Yeah, she's talking to you. Why you are marrying him?" I switched off the TV. The one thing that I hated to do the most in America were the dishes. Anybody here likes doing dishes? Best. Because if you did, I'll be like, "मेरे घर पे आके कर लो." बहुत पड़ी है. And I was, in fact, the pandemic was so hard, right? I would call my father. I'm like, dishes. He's like, "Jia, get plastic plates and forks and spoons." I'm like, "How to get plastic pressure cooker?" And that we need to cook khichdi or whatever. Then you become a DJ. You're like, "Hey, pressure cooker." In fact, in America, they had a dishwasher. Yeah, it would look at me and be like, "इसलिए आई है तू इंडिया से? मेरे को देख, मैं चमक रही है." But I think everybody should have a dishwasher. Anyone has dishwasher in the house? Make some noise. Very good, very good. Everyone else, please get. It's time, ho gaya, right? Because see, we all have washing machine at home, yes? Yes. Yeah, but for one time, there was that time when we used to use the bat. Remember the bat? Sometimes the clothes would get washed. Sometimes we would get washed. And now nobody has bat. Now everybody has washing machine. Same way everyone should have dishwasher. Right? And I think dishwasher is more eco-friendly than a man. Have you ever seen a man doing dishes? Water is on. He's putting soap, water is on. Rinsing it, water is on. Putting to dry, water is on. Dishwasher knows how much water to use when. So we must all get a dishwasher. Don't hold back. One day I was watching TV. I was sitting in my partner's house watching TV, and my partner was doing the dishes, and I'm watching TV. And my father-in-law comes in, and he's like, "Why you're doing dishes? I'll do." So my partner goes to play Xbox. Now my father-in-law is doing dishes, and I am watching TV. So obviously I have to be like, "Papa ji, आप मत कीजिए ना, मैं हूँ ना." I didn't do that. I continue to watch TV. And then after a minute I was like, "पानी बंद करके धोइए, पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है." But like I said, I was an amazing daughter-in-law. I was fantastic. So when I went to live with them for 1 month without my partner, I was like, "What I'll do?" So I decided to join an improv class. You all know improv? Yes. Basically, today is the class, and I already missed the first day. So I was like, "I'll sign up for the second day." Right? And I signed up, paid, and everything. Then I went to my mother-in-law. I was like, "Oh, I'm going for improv class." She's like, "Actually, you know, Jia, kal अपशगुन दिन है. कल कुछ नया नहीं शुरू करते." And I was like, "जी ठीक है मम्मी." Fully proud of myself. I was like, "Wow, what a good girl." Right? Because if my mother had told me, "कल अपशगुन दिन है," I'd be like, "अपशगुन को." Or I would be like, "Mommy, please. Mommy, जाने दो ना. Mommy, एक ही दिन की बात है." And then she'd be like, "ठीक है जा." Right? I also wanted to impress them. Right? So one day I was like, I will make aloo paratha. They are Gujarati. I am Punjabi. I'll make for them aloo paratha. I don't know how to make. Atta. But I started. I was like, atta, pani, atta, pani, atta, pani. There was so much atta at the end. Now, while I'm gundoing this atta, I'm Skyping with my dad. Right? And he's like, इसीलिए तुझे पढ़ाया लिखाया है. I'm like, कहाँ से आई है पढ़ाई अभी? बचपन में you'd always be like, किचन में जा रोटी बना, अपने घर जाके क्या करेगी? Right? Now I am in the अपने घर. I'm in the kitchen, doing the atta. Why are you bringing education right now? पढ़ाई का क्या लेना देना, Dad? But obviously, I didn't marry him because I'm here now, looking for a new boy. Okay, any married people make some noise?
Whoa!
All right, good. Where's your husband, ma'am?
Right here.
Lovely. Hello, sir. He's hating her now. But this was the point. You have to throw your husband under the bus. You will enjoy if you throw your husband under the bus. These are the moments. Sir, hi. What's your name? Nah, you're thrown, sir, under the bus. Don't look at her again and again. What's your name, sir?
So, come on.
Come on. So shy. Okay, how long have you been married? I don't want your name. How long have you been married?
30 years.
Oh, wow. Clap for her. See, this is training. Only after 30 years of marriage can you make your man not open his mouth in public. It takes 30 years for him to be like, Didi, tu hi bol. मैं हम सबको embarrass कर देगा. So you are married, right? 3 years? Yes, very good. Any other... so you are married? How long?
40 years.
Wow, 40. Yeah, clap for her. Clap for her. Very good. 40 years is fantastic. Full amount, full life. So you are trained? You're still training, still under training. Oh no, it's terrible. All right. You have to, I'll tell you something, you'll have to repeat after me. I need one more uncle. Sir, you're married? Yeah, you have wife here? She's here. Wow, how long have you been married?
14 years.
Well done, very good. Yeah, clap for her as well. 14 years is also lots. To palo a fully grown man. All right, now 3 boys, you'll have to repeat after me. You have to say, my wife is better than my mother. 30 years is like, तूने क्यों नहीं बोला साले? नाम भी नहीं दिया. Let's start with 3 years. Actually, 40 is bigger than you, sir. Let's start with 40, sir.
My mother is no longer here.
Good, so say na. Your wife is sitting right here. Hey! Nobody's mother has come tonight. Please, sir.
My wife's mother is far better than my wife.
Oh! Terrible, terrible. All right, sir, you please.
My wife is better than my mother.
Very good, yes! All the girls are like, कौन है वो? मुझे भी चाहिए. All right, sir, last.
My wife is better than my mother.
Well done! I thought he said bitter. But you know why? Because your wife leaves her house, है ना, and comes and lives in your house with your mother for the rest of her life. Imagine leaving your house and going and living in her house with her father for the rest of your life. फट गई ना. I tell the women the threat no longer is I'm leaving you. The threat now is I will take you to my parents' house. Don't work with me. But one day I was hanging out in his house. We were in America at this point. And he's going out, my partner was going out, and I was like, I want to come. He's like, no. I was like, please take me. You can throw tantrum in front of him, right? He's like, okay, fine, let's go. He went down, and in America, they have these big houses, no, full two stories and also, and they have vents. You all know about vents? That you can hear if you talk on the first floor what's happening in the ground floor. I didn't know this. But the day I found out, I would sit at the vent and talk. I'd just be like, यहाँ पे हीटर नहीं चालू करते, सूरज में बिठाते हैं, खाना वेजिटेरियन. So he went down and I could listen. I was listening from the vent and his mother's like, don't take her. And he's like, okay. I was like, bitch, I just threw tantrum. What do you mean, okay? Right? So then I messaged him saying I wanted to come. That day, his mother taught me to make white dokla. You all know white dokla? They put Eno in white dokla. Gujaratis are like, खाने में ही acidity का दवाई डाल देते हैं. And when the dhokla is ready, the dabba starts dancing. Then they take out the dhokla, the dandiya sticks, and dhoklo bani gayo re, dhoklo bani gayo re. So I was like, listen, I wanted to come. He's like, no, whatever. I tried. I was like, rubbish, you tried. So he's like, no, wait, I'll come home and I'll clear my name. You know, when boys do that, it means fight. Full WWF. We did also. WWE. Young people. Zamana has changed. So now he came back and now basically the fight was them against me. It was 3 against 1. Right? Because they are there fighting. I'm also like, bleh. So then at one point my father-in-law was like, you know, if you see an exit, you should take it. I was like, that's my sign. और मैं निकल पड़ी. Right? And I went out for a walk. I like chilled, took a breath, thought about it. And I was like, मेरे को नहीं करने का इससे शादी. Right? So I told him, I was like, let's not get married. He's like, what? I was like, yeah, but you want a maid. I was like, I can be maid, but I will open my mouth. I'm not going to quietly sit and do jharu pocha. I'll be like, tu bhi kar. Right? So then I called up my father. I was like, your dreams have come true. I'm not marrying him. He's like, I never dreamed that. I was like, you took away my car. I'll never forget. And so he's like, okay, Jia, pack your bags. I will book your ticket. So I packed my bags. I'm a nice girl. I made chai for my father-in-law. My bags were packed. I made whatever nashta for my mother-in-law. I did the dishes. Then my father-in-law comes and he's like, oh my God, you're leaving? I'm like, what do you want me to do? Plumbing? And then my father called and he's like, we booked your ticket and all. Then my mother-in-law comes, sweet angel. She's like, please eat some curry before going. I'm like, yes, my Maharaja. Bring achar also. Then I'm sitting there eating my curry chawal with achar. And I look at the ticket, it is for the next day. I'm like, oh no, this is embarrassing. I called up my father, I'm like, this is very embarrassing. Ticket is for the next day. He's like, Jia, you go to the airport, I'm changing it for today. I was like, oh my God, rich father, yay. And I told my best friend this. She's like, Jia, you don't have to be rich to change ticket. You know it doesn't cost a lot. In that situation, everybody would change it. I'm like, मेरा पूरा शो इसके बारे में है कि मेरे पास अमीर बाप है, 1 minute में ticket change किया. What are you doing, girl? You're raining on my parade. But I feel like girls, when they are 29, 26, 27, they're like, I'm too young to get married. Abhi to main jawan hu. And then they hit 29 and they're like, oh fuck, सबकी हो गई. मम्मी पूरे स्कूल की हो गई, मेरी कैसे नहीं हुई. मम्मी शादी कराओ. Then they hit 30, 31, they're like, हुई नहीं हुई, who cares, पैसे तो आ रहे हैं.